Hi guys, my name is Jun. Welcome to my channel, Quick, Simple and Tasty. Today, I would like to show you guys my version of the Tornado Omelette with fried rice with a special touch of an ingredient that I really like, which is Tabasco. Let's see, for this dish we'll need a little bit of ham, spam, chopped up garlic, spring onion, and some chopped up onions. We'll also need 3 eggs, ground white pepper, and obviously Tabasco, my favorite, and some Japanese seasoning called Furikake. Hope you guys can see that. That's how it looks like. So let's start. Oh, and I forgot, which is the most important, some leftover overnight white rice. Overnight white rice is the best for making fried rice, as it's not that wet. Once it's put in the fridge overnight, it's a bit dry, and the texture is perfect to make fried rice. Okay, let's start. I've preheated the wok frying pan. Let's put some garlic. Some onion. I like the fragrance of the garlic and the onion together. Some ham. And a bit of the spam. And add a bit of the spring onion. I like my spring onion a bit cooked and not raw. We add the fried rice. I mean the rice, not fried, since I haven't made it yet. And add some Maggi Soy Sauce. When you add the Maggi Soy Sauce is a bit different to other soy sauce. For some reason I find it smelling really nice. Give it a try if you guys can, if you can find it. It should be quite easy to find at any grocery shop. Now for the Tabasco. I like Tabasco. The reason I like Tabasco is it has that bit of soury yet a little bit spicy taste. Gives the fried rice a bit more texture and fragrance. And some white pepper. I don't know what you guys like. I mean, as in white or black pepper. Personally, I prefer white pepper. I think I'll just add a teeny bit more soy sauce. For the fried rice, now it's done. We'll transfer it to a bowl. Hi guys, I've now transferred the fried rice onto a plate that looks like this. Now I will attempt to make the tornado omelette. Hopefully I'm successful. I have the 3 eggs which has been beaten. Now let's try. Damn, I failed. This is the second attempt. Close, I'm getting there, but I failed again. Hopefully this is the last attempt. Yes, I finally made it. At least it's not perfect, but not too bad if I can say so myself. Now let's transfer it to the plate. Now, I've transferred the egg onto the fried rice from before. Doesn't it look nice? It's not perfect, but I must say I'm quite impressed at the third attempt. Now for the finishing touch, let's add some Japanese seasoning. And there we have it. My version of the tornado omelette with fried rice with a touch of Tabasco. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching.
Looks delicious, Daddy.